Hi, I am Partha from Hyderabad. I want to teach you something about 498A, DV and maintenance. Number one, if you have 498A against you, it means that you are innocent. Number two, if you have DV case against you, it means that your wife is violent. Number three, let me now teach you how to handle your maintenance cases against your wives. This is how you do it.
हेलो हाय ये देखो शादी के पहले माँ का प्यार और शादी के बाद बीवी की मार फर्क पूरा 70 किलो।
फाइट हार्ड फाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग। वैसे तो मैंने बोला है कि मैं आऊँगा, अगर नहीं आ पाया तो डेफिनेटली मेरी जगह मेरी लीगल वाइफ, मेरी दूर की वाइफ को दे देना। एटलीस्ट पता तो चले कि सिर्फ किस तरीके से उनकी बैंड बजाने को तैयार है। क्यों रे, तेरी बैंड जीतेगी बस।
I want to attend 2014 national meet to see our brave MRS from across the country face to face. I want to be part of men's freedom movement, just like our India freedom movement, and of course to take a glimpse of the slavery of symbol, the Taj.
Hey, hi guys. I'm Barkha Trehan, a dedicated MRA from Delhi. Hope we all will have a great time in the 6th National Meet at Agra. I'm very much excited to be a part of it and urge from all of you to come and share your innovative and vibrant ideas.
हाय, हमें 10 सेकंड का वीडियो बनाने के लिए कहा गया है। अगर 10 मिनट की बात होती तो कोई टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करके उस पर वीडियो बनाया जा सकता था, लेकिन 10 सेकंड में तो एक ही टॉपिक के ऊपर बात की जा सकती है, वो है शादी के एडवांटेजेस के ऊपर, क्योंकि शादी का कोई एडवांटेज है ही नहीं।
My name is Shiraji Babaja from Officer, and I am the member of Save India family. I am very thankful to my friends who have made my case also. And Agra National Meeting is very much important for us, for all of us members of Save India family, because we can gather a majority over there and also to help the victims who are involved in all of the cases, and they do need our help. We are always there for them help. Thank you.
बाबू मोशाय, लाइफ में खुश रहना ही जरूरी नहीं है, शादी करना भी जरूरी है। हा 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 हा। जब हम गाड़ी खरीदते हैं तो भी हम 50 जगह इंक्वायरी करते हैं, लेकिन किसी को शादी करना हो तो वो इतनी इंक्वायरी नहीं करता। फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स के कहे अनुसार कर लेता। गाड़ी को तो एक बार बदला जा सकता है, लेकिन बीवी को बदलने में बहुत मशक्कत करना पड़ती है मेरे भाई।
Hi everyone, Deepika this side. I'm really sorry that I'm not at Agra for the national meet. I so wanted to be there, but some things happened because of which I've not been able to travel. I'm in Mumbai right now, and the film work is on. I was facing certain issues because of which I had to come to Mumbai. Yes, the movie has got delayed, but with it there's one good thing that has happened, that Madhur Bhandarkar and Mr. Ashok Pandit have agreed to give as much exposure as possible to the film. Madhur would perhaps want to release the film under his banner. So I'm working with their team very closely, and hopefully Martyrs of Marriage would be done quickly now. I don't want to commit to a date because I've been really bad with all of you on dates. But I assure you that the work is on, and in a much better way than it was ever. I am trying to get Madhur also speak to all of you. We'll see if we can record a video with him. But good luck to all of you. I hope you have a great session in the 6th national meet, and I hope a lot of discussions and a lot of brainstorming happens so that we can take the movement to the next level. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
लास्ट ईयर अनुज गुप्ता कमिटेड सुसाइड, 5th फ्लोर से कोर्ट की कानपुर में वो कूद गया, एंड उसके फादर इन लॉ अभी तक जेल में है. हम लोग पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उनकी जल्दी बेल ना हो हाई कोर्ट से भी. बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि हमारे भगवान बहुत मदद कर रहा है. मदद ऐसे कर रहा है कि जब वो लोग बहुत तैयारी करते हैं कि आज बेल करा लेंगे आर्ग्यू करके, वो तब तक जस्टिस रंजना पांड्या की बेंच में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है. एंड रंजना पांड्या जस्टिस वॉज डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज इन कानपुर दैट टाइम when he committed suicide. So she knows everything personally. She paid condolence to him. Bail is always denied. Hence, and long dates are given.
That's a good idea, Pandit ji. Yes, I think we should announce it here in Delhi immediately.
At the 6th National be a moment of pride for the men's rights movement, as we have today amongst us the who's who of the men's rights from across India, and I, Ritvik Visaria, once again extend a heartiest welcome to one and all. Welcome guys, welcome to Agra, welcome to the 6th National meet. As we know, the theme of this conference is Clean the Carburetor. And our team especially designed this backdrop for us. And as you can see, there is a distressed us guys, but for this backdrop, people have really worked hard. So a huge round of applause for the backdrop team.
Friends, as most of us would know, the theme of this 6th National Meet is Clean the Carburetor. I don't think anybody here would disagree that the system needs a lot of cleaning. Heard. So again, a huge round of applause for all of us. So we went to the next level. One very important thought that we began this event with is that all of us are here irrespective of chapter, irrespective of which city we are coming from, irrespective of which NGO we are working with. Anything is immaterial. Who we are just independent men's rights activists. Come on guys! But we would talk about individual activists and their thoughts. So how's that?
It is indeed a moment, it's a great moment for Save Indian Family to be organizing the national meet in this historic city of Taj Mahal. I am sure this meet itself will make history in many, many ways. I am sure this will be the beginning of a new dimension in the life of every men's rights activist. And I am again sure that these 2 days will mark for a new ray of light and a new hope. A ray of peaceful existence and a hope for a men welfare ministry. Thank you.
Now moving ahead and actually formally starting the event for next 2 days, we would proceed towards the lighting of lamp. So to begin this day with an auspicious note, may I request Victor Uncle, Manish, I would request Manish to help all our guiding stars to kindly light the lamp and be a guiding star always. I would request everyone to just stand up for this grand occasion, this grand starting. Here we go.
Long live the Save Indian Family movement.
Thank you, Uncle. Thanks a lot for it.
So create yourself and light will find its vision. Gentlemen, hold on to your breath for this exciting beginning of the 2-day extravaganza. I mean, the opening of the 6th national meet of Save.
This souvenir brings a journey by real-life warriors, survivors and winners. The objective of this magazine is to take the movement to every corner of the country and also to bring about awareness about men's rights in India in every possible corner of the world. The debut version of this magazine was unveiled by none other than Honorable Justice Shiv Narayan Dhingra and Shri Suhaib Ilyasar on the occasion of 6th I think you guys have the volume 1 in your kit as well. Volume 2 of the magazine
of the Save Indian Family, the flag bearer of the Save Indian Family for the future. May we have Nitesh from Indore, Mr. G from Hyderabad, and Deepak from Nagpur. On the stage, please. I request your patience and your kind attention here. We will also be launching the internet version of the magazine, which will be available on saveindianfamily.in across boundaries. So here we go with the countdown of 3, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2. Gentlemen, this is indeed a historic moment for Saving the Family, of Saving the Family, and unveiling of Save Family magazine. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Sorry, it's a wrong script that I have. Sorry. Of SI in Madhya Pradesh.
Diptanshu will moderate the next session of the event. While we take a little break.
Diptanshu, raise your hand. Who's Diptanshu? Okay. And Nitesh, I did ask you to raise your hand. Anyways, so Diptanshu, let me ask you. Can you guys go in the center first? Oh, you're leaning back? Okay. So Diptanshu, why are you here?
Because we care for men.
Oh, thank you. Anyways, Nitesh, why is Diptanshu here?
We just want to learn something which is actually missing in our folk for men. So we are ready to be in depth to learn more about it, to have a clear picture what to do and how to do, and what are the paths that we need to, the obstacles, how to handle it very carefully, very energetic.
You just converted an objective question into subjective.
What I feel is Diptanshu actually wants to check out why all the men's rights activists are actually losing hair so fast.
I think Nitesh is here for the food.
food was really good.
So thank you very much. Here we have Distanshu who's going to take it further.
I welcome you all back, north, south, east, west, from all the places we have participants. The maximum number of participants are from Delhi, 22. Then we have Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Indore. So overall, there are 140 participants. Views before entering. But once I entered, the one property which I found in a lot of the MRAs is a receding hairline. Something which people don't tell you, that once you start working for men of the country, once you start joining SIF, they'll tell you a lot of good things. Okay, this will happen, that will happen, there will be enlightenment. But the bad thing which happens is the receding hairline which happens. I've lost a lot of hair, all of you, for the introductions. I want all of you to come up with something, some property of an MRA. What defines an MRA? Start with this side.
Who wants to start first?
Okay, anyone has an idea? So I'll just start from there.
Start from back.
Shamindeep Bhattacharya.
So what have you thought of? Like, what defines you guys? What defines an MRA?
Actually, in India, mostly the male genders are considered to be the second-class citizens. It's a gender-based citizenship and all that we think. That's why you welcome. And the next thing is that matrimonial dispute and all. But other than that, everywhere there are disputes and all. In job entry, in pensionary benefit, everywhere there are the disputes. Okay, at the national level.
Right. What I'm exactly asking is, see, there are a group of people coming. Okay. How do you spot an MRA amongst them? What is different in them? What is different in an MRA? Like, what is different?
Definition is very difficult thing to define. What is an environmental rights activist and others the abbreviated one. Okay, but thing is that if
I think Distanshu, I think we'll let me your hobby. This sketch, guys. So 1 minute for each of.
I am Vasil from Delhi. Board member of SIF, and I am kind of a very boring person as well. No. So I can confidently say that the new team is pretty ready and geared up to take this movement forward. So if I can pass on the battle successfully and take it forward in Delhi, I think I have played my role in this movement.
So Vasil is finally agreed that he is not young anymore.
I don't know, maybe some of the very earlier members of SIF, but it was pushed by DS Rao from Kolkata. And I simply look
to everybody who started this All India Helpline and who was behind this, because people all over the country now recognize SIF through the SIF Helpline.
3 cheers!
Where you guys from?
ये हम लोग जो आप मेल राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट की आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग काउंट से कह सकते हैं 51% हमारी आबादी उसको बिलोंग करते हैं, और उसको बचाने के लिए जब ऑल इंडिया में हमारा कोई नहीं है, तो हम लोग इस 100-150 जो भी हम लोग एक्टिविस्ट हैं वो उसको बचा रहे हैं, और 65,000 जो मर रहे हैं, अगर 10 में 10 भी बचा लिए तो हम उसको काफी
That's a great thought.
लोग कहते हैं कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, हम यहाँ पे यही दिखा रहे हैं कि मर्द को भी दर्द होता है, किसी को भी दर्द होगा हम खड़े हो जाएंगे। इसके लिए हम अनाड़ी जी से बोलेंगे कि 2 मिनट के लिए छोटी सी कविता सुना दें कि मर्द को दर्द होता है तो ताजमहल कैसे बनता है।
होंगे पहली बार अनाड़ी को का साधन पढ़ा, और कहते हैं महिला को दर्द होता है, पुरुष को दर्द नहीं होता। तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, मैंने एक वो लिखी, किताब भी लिखी है, कविता भी लिखी है, पुरुष का दर्द। कौन कहता है मर्द के सीने में दर्द नहीं होता? कौन कहता है मर्द के सीने में दर्द नहीं होता? और जिसके सीने में दर्द होता है वो मर्द नहीं होता। कौन कहता है मर्द के सीने में दर्द नहीं होता, और जिसके सीने में दर्द होता वो मर्द नहीं होता। माना नारी की ममता का कोई मोल नहीं होता, माना नारी की ममता का कोई मोल नहीं होता। क्या पुरुष का इस समाज में कोई रोल नहीं होता? जब बच्चा दर्द से रोता है, जब बच्चा दर्द से रोता है, तो क्या कोई पुरुष चैन से सोता है? जो अपने आंसू को पी जाएगा वो इंसान नहीं होता। यह सीने में होता दर्द नहीं, यह सीने में होता दर्द नहीं तो मजनू कोड़े ना खाता। ये सीने में होता दर्द नहीं तो मजनू घोड़े ना खाता और मुमताज महल की याद में नारी कोई ताजमहल ना बन पाता। ये यही परंपरा है समाज की, यही परंपरा है समाज की, तो इसको झुटलाना होगा, क्रूरता के इस ठप्पे को मन मस्तिष्क से हटाना होगा। धन्यवाद।
क्यों ना ताजमहल के पास में सिर्फ नेशनल मीट की जाए।
Gopal from Delhi. I am very new member of MRA, and I think we are here केसेस में हम लोगों को और कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता। जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम हमें यहाँ आके मिलता है, तो मेरे लिए यहाँ पर एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम है जो कि हम जैसे लोगों की काफी जो हमारे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप करता है इस लड़ाई को जीतने के लिए, जिसे जीतने के लिए हम सब लोग यहाँ हैं।
एक हमारे की एक फैमिली नहीं होती।
फ्रॉम कानपुर। मेरे को एक ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक समझ में आती है कि when you talk as an MRA, you are the only person who irritates the society a lot. आप सोसाइटी के अगेंस्ट बात करते जो कोई एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार नहीं होता।
It's almost
आप अपनी बात बोलोगे तो you are the only person और सब आगे यार क्या फालतू बात कर रहे हैं, कोई सुनने को तैयार नहीं होता।
बिल्कुल सही है। He is very right कि it's just a group of few hundred people against एजेंडा कैंडल लेके पहुंच जाते हैं।
यार इसका वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ, इसकी पीवीनेस का
इतना ज्यादा फंडिंग है उन लोगों को, बट वी ऑल स्टे।
Hi, I am Amir from Kolkata. I have a couple of attributes which I find in an MRA according to my understanding. The first thing is MRAs are very rational. They are very calm. And one certain attribute I should say that when they are in the receiving end of an abuse, they handle it in a very calm and rational manner, which is very different from other guys. And the last attribute which I should say is when a boy becomes an MRA and he has a lot of cases on him, even after the cases are over, even if he still continues with the men's rights movement, then he is the true MRA.
Very nice.
हेलो, मैं विदाफरिया कोलकाता से कह सकते हैं शुरुआत किया उस समय से मैं हमारे हूँ सिख मूवमेंट का, और आज भी इसके साथ ही मैं कह सकता हूँ कि बहुत सारे लड़ने को दिखाई है और खुद भी इस पर पहुँचना सकता हूँ।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
हेलो, मेरा नाम नरेश है, मैं भोपाल से आया हुआ हूँ, लेकिन मैं इस समय हैदराबाद ग्रुप से यहाँ पर हूँ। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर शायद मेरे साथ ये 498 वगैरह नहीं होता तो मैं भी उसी भीड़ का शायद हिस्सा होता जिसमें आज हम जैसे लोगों को गलत बताया जाता है। हर जिले में, भारत के हर जिले में हम जैसे कम से कम 2-2.5 लाख लोग होंगे, क्योंकि एट प्रेजेंट यहाँ पे आगरा में जो है कम से कम 10 साल के केस तो पेंडिंग मैंने देखे हैं, इससे ज़्यादा भी हैं। और हर साल 125 के अंडर में 1800 से 2000 केस रजिस्टर हो रहे हैं। और हर लड़के के पीछे अगर 10 साल का भी हम कहें तो 20-25 हज़ार होंगे, और हर लड़के के पीछे कम से कम एवरेज 6-7 लोग होंगे। तो अगर आप कैलकुलेट करें तो और फिर कुछ इस 10-15 साल की भी MP MLA को जीतने के लिए 500-200 से भी हार जीत होती है, और 10-12-15 हज़ार, 40 हज़ार, 50 हज़ार से भी होती है। 2-2.5 लाख वोट अगर इधर उधर अगर इसको मुद्दा बनाया जाए तो मैं नहीं समझता कि किसी MP में इतनी ताकत होगी कि वो इस तरह के बिल को और आगे बढ़ाए, और बल्कि जो है उनको खत्म करने के लिए क्यों नहीं कर सकता है, मुद्दा बनाने की जरूरत है।
अब तो जितना संशोधन रेप लॉज में हो गया है, इवन द बॉयफ्रेंड्स कैटेगरी इज गेटिंग इट।
गाइस, हम आज का दिन और कल का दिन यही MRM और भी बताइए अपने बारे में, समथिंग पर्सनल, समथिंग दैट यू लाइक, समथिंग अदर दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो।
Yeah, how many kids you have outside that?
Big society. आज का
question. हमारे movement है we will talk about cases, we will talk about everything.
You're all men's rights activists here, very active and everything.
Crowd wants to know who are you? How many people know him? Raise your hands.
अरे बोलो ना। This is Satish Kumar from Hyderabad.
Twitter ID क्या है?
नहीं है।
But you are his FB friend, he is saying.
सत्या
Okay. So let's go.
हैदराबाद
मैं मारे हूँ बिकॉज मैं लोगों की शादी में जाता हूँ, सोचता हूँ फंस गया साला।
नहीं, शैलेश जी इसलिए भी हमारे हैं बिकॉज इज पार्ट ऑफ द रिसीडिंग एयरलाइन।
Not receding, receded.
Hyderabad, and I have been with men's rights activism for the last 1.5 years. And when you ask me what exactly, a men's rights activist, is differentiated. Like the man, the real men's rights activist is someone who makes the rest of the population know about that they are men, they have the rights, irrespective of whether they are caught with the cases or they are not caught with the cases. See, we are all talking about the cases. Population, how many of them are talking about the men's rights? So the real men's rights activity is someone, that's what I personally believe. So taking the rest of the entire, the age group.
The Delhi team, I was the coordinator, worked with Sokup and Wasim and all for 4 years. And I dared to marry again. MRA is, for me, MRA is not men's rights activists, it's many rights activists, because we are not just for men, we are for the rights of the women and their own gender, our mothers and sisters also, for rights and dignity of our parents also. So as an activist, I would say something in common, like in our genes, that we are activists, because it's just a click or a movement or something wrong that happened to you and you became an activist, and you are not in the heart of the others who have suffered and still not MRAs. Okay, and activists, as an activist now we are socially aware, we know that each and every effort of ours goes. Experience in my second marriage also. We are not meant for marriage. We are free-going guys.
Rejected ball. They lost 30 years ago. So when it is introduced in the year of 1983, from that day we have lost our rights. And coming to why I am here is, at least my younger generation, after whoever is going to come after me, should not suffer like us. That is what my vision.
This is failure.
उसकी वाइफ को ढूंढो, आई होगी। अरे उसकी वाइफ को पुलिस।
The same question is asked in my company. I used to say I moved from my company X to Y and something like that. And
you can say the same about my life.
Yeah, very quiet and how much it is being. So equality is a myth in India. So as an MRA, this myth should be converted to reality. That is not my vision.
So when did you move from animal rights to men's rights? You moved quite a lot of companies. So when did you move from animal rights to men's rights? When did you join the movement? 2 years back.
मैं MRA इसलिए ज्वाइन किया, जब ज्वाइन किया था तब मेरे ऊपर कोई केसेस नहीं थे, सोच पाता था कि मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए फिर मैंने चालू किया कि इसलिए मैं MRA में हूँ।
हमारे तो केसेस के बाद ही बना हूँ मैं, and frankly speaking, इतनी मस्ती मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं की हुई। ये मेरे दोस्त लोग मिले मेरे को पार्टी रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, we go on biking, we check out girls, even married one। आपको यार ऐसा इतनी मस्ती मैंने कभी नहीं की। It's benefit लॉस कुछ दिखता नहीं। Plus I'm smarter now, बहुत दोस्त मिल गए हैं अभी। I know how to answer, I know how to argue with wife also, with people also, so it's great. I'm happy to be here.
So is there anyone who? कहना चाहूँगा, समझदार को इशारा काफी है। वो इंसान समझता मैं किसके लिए बात बोल रहा हूँ।
Good evening everyone. I'm Prashant Chaudhary from Nagpur. This is my first time to join as an MRA. और ये MRA में इसलिए ज्वाइन किया हूँ, ये बाकी सब लोग हमें इसलिए मिले हैं ताकि जब तक हम फाइट नहीं करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे नहीं, हमारी ये रखेंगे नहीं, तब तक हमको आगे में कोई कहीं भी या कहीं भी या वोट में बोलो या नेशन वाइड में बोलो ये आइडेंटिटी नहीं मिल पाएगी। So we should join everyone and we should fight with the Wheat Junction.
ने एक रिज्यूमेट किया हमारे चीज को और फिर उसने बोला कि एक साल में हम इतने बार पार्टियां के इतने बार मिले कि शायद हम किसी स्कूल या कॉलेज लाइक सेकंड थिंग हम MRA is related to all we have started to help in personal life also like jobs ये वो तो एक हमने संगठन बदल दी है MRA इट्स नॉट कि वी आर अ स्मॉल बंच ऑफ कर दिया हमने और सेकंड थिंग
उसके लिए भी SIF पर हेल्पलाइन पे पीपल कैन कॉल यू
definitely but at Nagpur if you call me at Indore then it's very difficult but when one of friend comes to Indore on routine time for CRP 125 then he may help you second thing
एक सेपरेट हेल्पलाइन है हमारी नोटी MRA
and WhatsApp and all other new information tools are really helping us और second thing अभी हम बता रहे but still the magistrate judge accepted our contention that see these allegations against my sister who saves her 2 or 3 life on a day-to-day basis because she is a senior doctor at Government College and she MD anesthetist तो उसी ने रो के जैसे हमारी बीबी जज के सामने CRP से 125 क्लियर होती है तो वैसे मेरी सिस्टर ने जज के सामने रोया मेरे पर ऐसे 10 लाख मांगे स्टेरियोटाइप एलिगेशन हाँ उसके कारण that case was accepted.
ओवरऑल हिज परसेप्शन इज कि रेज्यूम में कोई भी नौकरी लेने के लिए जाए तो उसके अंदर प्लीज अपने सारे IPC और CRPC के साथ देना ताकि इजीली आपको जॉब मिल जाए और कितना एक्सपीरियंस उसमें है ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव अंदर है वो पर्टिकुलर एंटायर स्टोरी
नहीं we are strong enough that we can fight all forms and trade cases and we are strong enough
yeah sure if you are fighting 7 cases that's really
मैं भावनाओं को समझता हूँ
भावना भी एक गर्लफ्रेंड है
मेरा ये मानना है कि जब पुरुष आजादी की लड़ाई लड़कर और अंग्रेजी शासन को यहाँ से भगा सकते हैं तो पुरुष फिर अपने अधिकारों को लेकर जागरूक और लड़ क्यों नहीं सकते जब इतने बड़े शासन को उठाकर फेंक सकता है पुरुष तो फिर ये मेंस राइट के लिए अपने खुद के अधिकारों के लिए क्यों नहीं लड़ सकता जब पुरुषों ने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी और आजादी की लड़ाइयाँ लड़ते लड़ते जैसे बिस्मिल जी ने कहा बला से हमको लटकाए अगर सरकार फांसी से लटकते आए अक्सर पैकरे इशार फांसी से लबे दम भी न खोली जालिमों ने हथकड़ी मेरी लटक करता था लटकते फांसी से लबे दम भी न खोली जालिमों ने हथकड़ी मेरी तमन्ना थी कि करता मैं लिपट कर प्यार फांसी से खुली है मुझको लेने आगों से आजादी खुशी है हो गया महबूब का दीदार फांसी से यहाँ तक सरफरोशाने वतन जाएंगे कातिल कि लटकाने पड़ेंगे मुझसे नित 2-4 फांसी से जब था उनका आजादी से और उन्होंने अंग्रेजों को भगा दिया तो फिर हम अपने अधिकारों के लिए अपन क्यों नहीं लड़ सकते मेरा ये कहना है कि अरे मेरे सीने में ना सही तेरे सीने में सही हो कहीं भी आग मगर आग जलनी चाहिए
I am Rejected Mal, as you know, he said. So I have changed my Facebook name to Rejected Mal Partha. So those who were not in my friends list before, you will probably not be able to find me on Facebook, because I have changed my name after that controversy. So yes.
But still we say kya mal hai.
So yes, as he rightly mentioned, so I do write, and that's my passion. And I expect or I invite others to be writers. There is a lot of opportunity for us in that writers forum. We actually need a lot of bloggers to basically we are fighting an intellectual war here, and where against us we have hundreds of feminist writers. They have hundreds of topics, and they are really good writers. So we need to, if we really need to take them on, we need more bloggers. There is no second thought about it. And there are some people who are interested in blogging, and they are coming up as well. Let me tell you that we are being recognized through our blogs internationally, and I hope in the coming days more people will come forward, and we will see our global presence very soon. And I am here in this meeting to actually share my thoughts with others and as well, learn a lot from other leaders across the country. And I am privileged to be here to be with all of you.
Let's hear it for the blue.
Me here to fight for men's right.
Scripted.
No, because I want to simplify this purpose. Men can't fight alone because of increasing rape cases. Few women taking advantage of this issue. Present law is encouraging men for second marriage, which makes our child life dark. MRA makes men fight for equal right like what women we have. मेरा बच्चा का देखने के लिए मैं जज के पास रोया तो भी मेरे को परमिशन नहीं दे रहा है. ये हम हेल्पलेस हो गया है, सब मेंस नपुंसक बन गया है. जज का अभी प्रेजेंट लॉ का सामने वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर जस्टिस, इक्वल राइट वी वांट. उतना बोल सको. मैं 2 साल से डार्क रूम में रो रहा हूँ. मेरे को किधर भी ये नहीं मिला, प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला. मगर SIF मेरे को एक मौका दिया फाइट करने के लिए. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Getting through side and through one of my friends through Sarkar, I came to know about this SIF. Then I met these people like Sumit and all, Praket and all in Bangalore. After that, I came to know what are the problems. And right now, at least, I'm completely.
Thanks, SIF, which has suggested me. Can you be a little louder? I would like to thank SIF. Actually, SIF has suggested me and guided me to how to handle the situations there.
I thought to teach you something about 498A, DV and maintenance.
यहाँ पर भी 498.
If you have 498A against you, it means that you are innocent. Number 2, if you have DV case against you, it means that your wife is violent. Number 3, let me not teach you how to handle your maintenance cases against your wives. This is how you do it.
My eyes are not setting because I got timely calling from SIF. You need to work harder.
Sumira from SIF Karnataka. I don't want to touch about what about MRA and things like that. I just want to say what that has in fact given me a lot of time for myself, pursuing all the things I would like to do and wanted to do and dreamt of doing, and given a lot of time with my friends and family, excluding my wife that is. That's actually given me a lot of time, and how to deal with things has really helped me a lot. And first time being in a seminar like this is really making me feel happy and emotional to some extent, and I'm thankful to the movement actually. Thank you.
अगर दम है तो उनके लिए जियो और अगर दम है तो उनके लिए करो. अगर वो नहीं कर सकते तो बीवी का तो क्या, अपने बच्चे के लिए भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. भाई बहुत देर में समझ में आया. नहीं, ये तो पहले पैरेंट में बैठ जाओ, सारे दुख खत्म हो जाएंगे. और ये चीज यस. और मैं अपने माँ बाप के जरूर रोज मॉर्निंग में पैर जरूर छूता हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने जो आज तक गलतियां की हैं एटलीस्ट वो उस चरण से मेरे धुलते जाएं जो मैंने पाप किया. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है उसके अंदर. तो प्लीज
मैं लास्ट 6 मंथ से अपने SIF से जुड़ा हूँ और मेरे ऊपर वैसे कोई केस नहीं है, बट मेरे को अपना SIF ने एक कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट किया और वही कॉन्फिडेंस में जो भी काउंसलिंग के लिए आते हैं वो उनमें बूस्ट करते हैं. बहुत एकदम डरे हुए लोग आते हैं, एकदम रोते आते हुए, उनको उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करते हैं हम लोग.
मैं इंदौर से हूँ.
दिल से बोल. पता है
दिल से नहीं, मुंह से बोल रहा हूँ. दिल से तो सुन लो. अभी जब बोलूँगा
लेकिन नाम जरूर बोलना जो ट्रेन में बोला था तुमने अपनी वाइफ.
हाँ बिल्कुल वही. हाँ, मेरे खिलाफ केस दायर किया है ग्वालियर में. और SIF के जुड़ने से पहले मेरा मतलब आई वाज इन डिप्रेशन कि मैं सुसाइड कर लेता, पर दादा का एक इन्फ्लुएंस था और दीप और नितेश जी ने मेरे को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जिससे मेरा एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया और मैं आज कहते हैं कि 100 दुश्मन मारो तो और दुश्मन जन्म लेते हैं. तो मैं आज मेरी ही वाइफ के साथ में रह रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक दुश्मन के साथ में रह रहा हूँ और उसका नाम मैंने दिया ओसामा बिन लादेन. या जब उसने, क्योंकि मेरे से एक गलती हो गई, वो केस कर दिया उसने
स्लीपिंग विद ओसामा बिन लादेन.
या लेकिन बीच में बालक
दाढ़ी भी है क्या?
और के अंदर की बात है। और अभी भी मेरे साथ में वो कॉन्स्पिरेसी चल रही है, लेकिन मैं फाइट करूंगा उसके।
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि आज भी जेंट्स लड़के जो भी बोलो वो अपना दर्द नहीं कह पाते, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। और अगर आप यहाँ पे 150 इकट्ठे हुए हैं तो इसी होटल के आसपास हजारों की तादाद में होंगे। आप जिससे भी अपना दुख शेयर करोगे वो 4 गिना देगा, अरे यार उसके साथ भी ऐसा ही है। तो ये SIF ने मोटिवेशन करके बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और वी आर प्राउड ऑन SIF दैट ये जागरूक लाने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Since last 6-7 months, and now it's really I'm thankful to the SIF team. उनकी ही वजह से आज मैं अपने इन सब केसेस के लिए just try to be offensive और उसका रिजल्ट ये रहा। I was in a hearing for 2 times, third time they wanted for this कि हम लोग समझौता करके इसको खत्म करते हैं and I said no.
ये देखो शादी के पहले माँ का प्यार और शादी के बाद बीवी की मार, फर्क पूरा 70 किलो।
और बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब लगता है कि मेंस के राइट्स के लिए यहाँ पर इस तरह से एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म, नए नए व्यूज और नए नए थॉट्स मिलते हैं, उससे एक उत्साह आता है, एक उमंग आती है कि इसमें अब आगे कुछ राइट्स तैयार होंगे।
आप कितने साल से जुड़े हुए हैं
SIF से? आई थिंक लास्ट 7 years।
पति परिवार कल्याण समिति से मैं तो पहले अपनी बीवी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिसने 18 साल बाद मुझे सिखाया घरेलू हिंसा कोई चीज होती है। उसके पहले कहने के हो लेकिन कानून तुमको मर्द नहीं मानता। टैक्स पे करते रहो, बीवी बिना टैक्स के सारे अधिकार पा रही है, तुम तो नामर्द के नामर्द हो, मर्द बन जाओ, इसलिए हमारे संगठन में आओ। धन्यवाद।
यहाँ पे बैठे सभी लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं लखनऊ से आई हूँ, मेरा नाम मीना है। मैं पति परिवार कल्याण समिति से जुड़ी हूँ।
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलिए।
मेरे पति 7 साल से इस समिति से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो उन्हीं के साथ में उनका कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर साथ देंगे।
Fight for gender equal society. Fight for gender equal society. SIF give the moral support and physical support and good legal advice. Thank you for everything.
2006 से BSF के साथ है, अभी भी है। मेरा एक बीबी 2 फोन लाइटेड है। तो
सूर्य जी आप मुझे बताइए,
जीरो भी होगा ना तो भी एक तो होगा।
सूर्य जी क्या कुछ स्पेशल है वहाँ लोग, कुछ ज्यादा क्या मतलब?
वो होता है हस्बैंड लोग को कैसे डोमिनेट किया जाए। लड़की को घर से मतलब उसका ससुराल से सिखाया जाता है। जब तुम लोग शादी नहीं किया है, कुछ दिन का बाद अगर पेरेंट्स रहेगा तो बूढ़ा बूढ़ी है तो मर जाएगा, सारे प्रॉपर्टी तुम्हारा होगा, तुम्हारा चिंता कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी होता तो थोड़ा बहुत एडजस्ट करो ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। 1 नंबर होगा। 2 नंबर होता है जो लड़की का जो मदर होता है, वो एवरीडे लड़की के साथ फोन में कांटेक्ट करता है, पूछता है तुम्हारा क्या है क्या नहीं, वहीं से कमेंटिंग आता है तुम ऐसा करो तब जाके तुम्हारा हस्बैंड तुम्हारे ग्रिप में रहेगा, तुम ऐसा करो तो तुम्हारा ससुर जी तुम्हारा ग्रिप में रहेगा, तुम ऐसा करो तो तुम्हारा सास भी ऐसा ग्रिप में रहेगा। ये बंगाली लोग का DNA तक स्टैंपिंग हो गया है इस सिस्टम में। बंगाली है फिर भी बोलता है अगर कोई बंगाली है तो उसको भी मालूम पड़ेगा ना मेरा बात कहता। और 10 साल में क्या होगा देखिए, हम लोग हर साल आते रहेगा, हर साल ऐसा करते रहेगा। नेशनल मीट जो होता है हमको ऐसा लगता है ये ऑल ओवर इंडिया का फेस है, ब्रेन भी है, आंख भी है। हम लोग इधर से जो कुछ डिसाइड करते हैं, जो कुछ सोचता है उसका रिफ्लेक्ट ऊपर में जाता है, गवर्नमेंट का पास जाता है, यूनियन आपका पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स के पास जाता है, लॉ कमीशन का पास जाता है। उसका बाद वो लोग जो डॉट्स हम लोग इधर से शुरू करते हैं, इसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसीलिए नेशनल मीट में और ज़्यादा आएगा सब आदमी, तो ऑल ओवर इंडिया से वो भी मिलते हैं।
First of all, I would like to thank all of the persons here because the SIG is the only platform, only strongest platform, and the fight against women's law. So first, and I personally thanks to all of us, and thank you, SIG.
We have formed this organization to build awareness against various bias, provisions and laws that have been built over a time against women. For example, in recent times, discussions were going on regarding 33% reservation for women in the parliament. But many of the men even fail to recognize that what the impact would be. It would eliminate men from competing from 33% of the seats for parliament. So the purpose of the formation of the organization is to build awareness of men about various issues that impact the women adversely. At our civil law system law, while Bengal is being ruled by Daibhar, so there is a difference.
Around say 3 to 5 lakhs of rupees, and my weight and my health and everything. And when I went into the SIF, I was totally like a dead body. I went into the SIF, and I don't have any hope at that time. And when I went into the SIF, we have lots of leaders. When we started, we have around they have asked around 2 crores money.
I almost got attacked to all the matrimonial disputes except rape case. Okay, so when I joining, I have an order of 10 lakhs in domestic violence, and maintenance should be around 20,000 something. So now,
last month I knew a new value, which is about 1 crore. Happy to hear about that. Just seeing what is surface more on that. Thank you.
This is Shyam from Chennai, SIF. I got into SIF about 2 years ago, much before my problem started. My problem started just about 3 months back. But the 2 years of preparation had helped me a lot, to me and my family, to prepare mentally and at least how to face the problems and be prepared for the worst to come. So it has just begun. So it is a long way to go, or the war has just begun. So I hope all these learnings to me and my family will definitely help me to fight it.
Use themselves, can raise their legs.
Good evening, my name is Karthik, famously or infamously called as German Karthik. I still remember the day in November 2008, I'll tell you the date also. So when I just came with, as an NRI, I came with all big force saying that I had issues with child visitation, they never showed me the kid. I had a divorce when I came to SA. I still remember the day where I was just talking like an ideologist, where I said I have justice, they have denied visitation, it is on Friday. The Suresh Ram was sitting there, yes sir, please go and get justice. So 2008 to 2014 has basically transformed me to accept this. I could succeed also to the extent that my opponent lawyer, without knowing that there is an SAF member, started literally crying. I don't know why this guy after that.
Last 2 months back, I don't know how to get a divorce from my wife. Any idea?
Since apart from all this menstrual activities, apart from this, it gave us a broader view of what the society is, how it is. Otherwise, we would have been with only books and computers. So it's beyond men's rights. It gave us a vision of how the society is.
For the past 7-8 years, actually I've learned a lot from Save Indian Family. For 7 years I've been learning, and Save Indian Family is almost a social club for me. And in fact all my friends. We have a very great circle of friends in Chennai. We have really enjoyed DV Act, 498. Cases in 498A and more number of DV cases now. And DV cases, the courts are, most of the lawyers and most of the courts do refer SIF. In some police station, when the husband side can, they tell them go to SIF, you will get released. And 4 of us. So that was it was with me with the Bharata Sadhukan. Is the more famous one. Yeah, more famous one. Yeah, I know that. Lesser marks. Okay. Why? Who is an MRA? What makes an MRA?
Someone whose name is Partha?
Yeah.
Someone whose name is Partha?
No, please.
The name is so popular.
No, don't tell my wife. Okay. So, what makes an MRA? So this question I can make it funny, I can make it look sad also. But what exactly makes an MRA is the ability, the person, somebody like this man. I met him in 2007. He scared the Jesus out of me. I thought this man was going to open my clothes with just his sight, with his vision. So that is what makes an MRA.
Are we done here?
I came very late for sister. My kids were running more than for 2 years. Then only I came to this. If I had come to earlier to this, my kids would have explained now. And one thing about TV, there are too many orders they can get. Coordinate area, they try to file a coordinate on me, and I have been trying for the past 1 year to get into the jail. They are not accepting me into the jail. And on the day the inspector called me, they said that the case filed against you in coordinate area, and you better go and get a file. I have been trying to, on the second day, I went to the police station and they said, see, I am the person you have called, so wife name. So you have filed, we didn't expect such a answer from you. You go and get a file. So for the last one, I am trying to get
I think he has raised a very good point. An MRA is someone who does not have the fear of being jailed. The fear of jail goes away.
The one thing that they are telling you, they will put you to jail. No problem. I will go.
स्वागत है और आज का बड़ा सवाल जी आपसे, दादा आपसे, फराग आप जो पीछे बैठे हैं आपसे और आपसे भी जनाब, सवाल ये है कि आप लोग नेशनल मीट में आए हो या पार्टी करने आए हो, दारू पीने आए हो? दारू पीने। सब शराबी यही सोच रहे हैं कि प्रोग्राम खत्म हो और मैं अपनी शराब की बोतल खोलूं और मस्ती करूं। सही कहा ना मैंने? बिल्कुल सही कहा। But yes, we are also here to have fun. So, पर मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? मैं खुद तो शराब पीता नहीं, I'm a teetotaler. But still, I'm gonna have fun with you guys. So,
I would say alone, I will spot alone, but not alone. They're all part of the same human family. We have provided them the shelter, and much required shelter. And also,
sir, we are not able to hear. Can you please repeat yourself?
want me to?
Yes,
I will go on. Yeah.
We are not able to spot an MRA.
Oh yeah.
Your wife is not around.
Luckily not. Family, my sisters, all the family members and all that stuff. So, thank you very much.
What all the people are facing, and I'm very happy to be part of this, because the people who are not part of this, of course, they'll be depressed, and there's so many things we'll be facing, as you all know that. And this group or this thing has given a lot of support to me, and how to build defensive structures and all those things. I believe that this is Sparta, which generates the finest warriors to fight against the system. Yes. And मेरा in-law कहती है, and she says that I'll fight 50 cases against you, और मैं कहता हूँ I'll find 100 ways तेरा बैंड बजाने के लिए.
Actually, I am not having any civil case on me. The only reason why I am here is this. Here you can see that 8.19 per minute. So for the same reason I am with you. Actually, one of my friends undergone the same problem. It made me to be a part of SIP. So I am with all our team, and for past 4 years, almost 3.5 years, I am with SIP and participated almost all programs in Delhi as well as Nagpur, and somewhere for the activities in Hyderabad too. Coming to this,
regarding men's rights. Yeah. I'm also very much impressed with this men's rights activity. The reason behind that is I have a son of 10 years and of course I'm fighting for custody also. So I think that now if I fight for my son, if I give what you call neutral laws, neutral bylaws, then I think that I will give a great right to my son. So that is one more reason why I'm here. Thank you.
I am a member of SIP Hyderabad. Presently, I have shifted to Allahabad. I am now working in Allahabad. Therefore, I would like to meet the members of the Lucknow group. I have joined SIF to gain knowledge and get rid of my cases and run away from the group. To be very frank. But after joining the group and the members, I got to know about the problems of friends. Those are really very much suffering and crying. I really want to those members and especially newcomers, क्योंकि उनको बहुत हेल्प रिक्वायर्ड होती है और बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस होते हैं.
CRPC 125 like that, but still today they don't know because I'm getting help from the SIP group. That's the way I'm able to fight in my case. No. My
very good evening, and I have a great person. For example, any like among us, as soon as the case started, it was very fear. There were a lot of tensions, so many questions. The complete expression was blind. At that time, my expression was like, I never used to face people, even though they are my friends. I hardly speak to people. Then, all of a sudden, I heard about SIF through my friend. I'm heartily thankful to Shashwat Patnaik, who has given two persons' name and the contact numbers, that is Partha and Sahish. Then I joined the group, and after joining the group, what this group has contributed to my life again is like this. See, they have designed this picture. They have closed the curves. This is a fist, and you can see this. The fist has been not bounded by the custard. So my fist, after joining the group, this was my, before joining the group, this was my fist. After joining, my fist has been raised from my previous height by showing my center finger to my wife and their family members. And with me. This is the confidence which I have gained from National Meet for Men's Rights, and I want to clean this carpenter by this center finger. This is what I feel personally from myself. I think there are so many people who have been depressed over there, but they don't have the guts. Even though they don't try to express. They didn't express, but I have the guts. That guts I have learned on this stage, this platform. So I'm very thankful to the person who has, launched this, especially to Swarup Sarkar and his team members. And I'm very thankful to, giving me a wonderful opportunity to represent myself, because I have joined this group just 1 month back, and this in this short period I have learned a lot. Now my opponent party is in a fear. They are unable to answer my question also, and they didn't have any thought to communicate with me. This is so I request you everyone to please contribute as much as yourself for this SIF. Thank you.
Dada, mic please listen.
Good, keep it up.
Good evening. I'm Sharif from Kerala. We have three here. And do some goodness. So I came over here. I don't know that my neighborhood itself, there are a lot of people are suffering. I should tell many innocent are suffering like this. But nobody is mind to my friend, Mr. Wilson.
चलो कर लो सर, कर लो everybody.
My name is Richard from Kerala. I best wishes of you for the water.
नमस्कार, मैं हरीश कुमार आगरा से हूँ और केंद्रीय सेवा में रहा हूँ। मैं रिटायर हो चुका हूँ। अपनी केंद्रीय सेवा में रहने के दौरान इसके बाद मुझे चांस दिया गवर्नमेंट ने लिटरेसी में काम करने। लिटरेसी में सोशल स्टिग्मा है और जब किसी को लिटरेसी हो जाती है तो एक बहुत ही पहाड़ सा टूट पड़ता है उस व्यक्ति पर और उस परिवार पर। मुझे ये अवसर मिला उनको काउंसलिंग करने का, समझाने का कि ये क्यूरेबल डिजीज, यू विल बी ऑलराइट, इसका इलाज संभव है, तो बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे और सोसाइटी में रहोगे। बाय द वे फिर मुझे आगे चांस मिला HIV एड्स में काम करने का। 3 साल मैंने काम किया आगरा के 7 जिलों के लिए। HIV एक बहुत ही संक्रामक रोग है, किस तरह फैलता है ये शायद आपको पता है, मैं तो सिर्फ ड्रिंक का बता रहा हूँ आपको यहाँ। परंतु रिटायर होने के बाद मुझे ये नहीं मालूम था कि फिर मुझे एक डिजीज में काम करना पड़ेगा। ये फॉल्स केसेस का डिजीज, ये डिजीज मिसयूज ऑफ लॉ का मुझे मालूम नहीं थी कि ये भी कोई डिजीज होता है और ये बिल्कुल एक संक्रामक रोग है। मैं इसको यही सोच रहा था कि यहाँ से मैं निकल के रिटायर हुआ इन बीमारियों से, फिर एक नई बीमारी देखने को मिल रही है, मिसयूज ऑफ लॉ। अच्छा, फैल रही है, ये इतनी फैलती जा रही है। मैंने तो ये देखा है, क्योंकि मैंने HIV में काफी काम किया, मैंने ये देखा इतने तो लोग HIV से नहीं मरे हमारे देश में जितने की सुसाइड से मर गए। 2005 से लेकर के 2012 का डेटा मैंने देखा था इंटरनेट से। मेरे बेटे ने मुझे डाउनलोड करके दी थी मैगजीन आपकी, तो मैं डेटा देख रहा था वो जो कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम का है, और इतने लोग तो HIV से नहीं मरे। इसका मतलब इतना ज्यादा ये इन्फेक्शन फैला। तो मन ही मन में सब आप सब लोगों के जब बीच बैठा हुआ हूं तो मैं सोच रहा हूं कि इसका क्या इलाज है। मैं उसी मेडिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, मैं असल में सोशल मेडिकल साइड से हूँ, मैं सोशल वर्कर हूँ, सोशोलॉजिस्ट हूँ। सामाजिक समस्याएं, ये डिजीज के संबंध में भी जो सामाजिक समस्याएं आती थी उनके बारे में मैं सोचता था। मैं नए विचार मेरे मन में आते थे, मैं बताता था और मुझे मजा आता था। मैं सिर्फ सर्विस नहीं करता था, मुझे आनंद आता था। और यहाँ आने के बाद, रिटायर होने के बाद, मेरे बच्चों की वजह से ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स, ये डिजीज में मुझे आना पड़ा। तो मुझे तो ये लगता है कि इस डिजीज के लिए भी एक वैक्सीनेशन की जरूरत है और डेफिनेटली एक वैक्सीनेशन चाहिए। वो कैसा वैक्सीनेशन चाहिए? एक तो सोशल अवेयरनेस, समाज में बिल्कुल अवेयरनेस नहीं है। यहाँ लगभग 2-4 को छोड़ के सब विक्टिम्स बैठे थे। अधिकतर सभी विक्टिम्स से उन्होंने पेन फील नहीं किया, परंतु मैंने महसूस किया कि जो समाज के बाहर के लोग हैं उनको वो पेन नहीं है। इवन कई बार मोरल सपोर्ट भी हम लोगों को नहीं मिल पाता है। लोग ये कहते हैं अरे यार कुछ तो हुआ होगा, ऐसे कैसे वो आरोप लगा सकती है। अभी मेरे बेटे को कहा गया SIF के लोगों की तरफ से कि ये बोर्ड बनवाना है। क्योंकि आगरा को बिलोंग करते हैं हम, ये नवीन बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पर, तो सर दादा सभी दादा बोलते हैं, मैं दादा ही बोल रहा हूँ। तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप बोलिए, ऋतिक जी ने, उन्होंने कि आप बोलिए कि हम एक सामाजिक कार्य कर रहे हैं और ये हमारा सामाजिक कार्य है और हम इस चीज़ के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, आप थोड़ा सा इसका रेट थोड़ा सा कम कर दें। तो मेरे बेटे ने जब बताया, मैंने कहा यार ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार, ये कैसे आरोप झूठे लगा सकती है एक औरत। मतलब समाज में अवेयरनेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। तो ये एक वैक्सीनेशन का काम करेगा अगर हम समाज में अवेयरनेस पैदा करें और लॉ में बदलाव आएगा। लीगल लॉ में बदलाव नहीं होगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा। और ये जो सोशल अवेयरनेस है कि हमारे ग्रुप में नहीं, हमें उस लोअर ग्रुप में जो बस्तियों में है, जो गलियों में है, जो बाजारों में है, उन तक ये सोशल अवेयरनेस को पहुंचाना है। ये मीटिंग के दौरान मेरी अगर बातचीत होगी, मुझे चांस मिलेगा तो मैं इस बारे में अपना रोड मैप रखने की कोशिश करूंगा। बस मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ।
काल है। थैंक यू। अगर इस बारे में के साथ मैं एक चीज और ऐड करूंगा, जो हमारे वीडियोग्राफी और फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं वीडियोस, एंड आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू आवर थॉट्स एंड अबाउट आवर कॉज दे एग्रीड टू स्पॉन्सर द वीडियोग्राफी एंड फोटोग्राफी। सो
इवेंट स्टार्ट होने से पहले मिस्टर अमित लगानी और मिस्टर ऋत्विक सारियानिया सबका वेलकम ऑफिशियली कर दिया था। बट आई थिंक पर्सनली आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज आई एंड माय फादर आर द टू ओनली पीपल who belong to this city, Agra. So welcome again. तो official welcome था, ये personal welcome है। I'm very happy to see all of you here. और कि लड़की के साथ सारा समाज होता है, कानून होता है, पुलिस होती है, वकील होते हैं, हर कोई। When I'm watching all of you 140 people here in this auditorium, I'm feeling कि नहीं, लड़के भी अकेले नहीं होते, मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ। A lot of people are there with me. दादा यू टू लिसन, मेरा मन कर रहा था कि चूंकि आई बिलोंग्स टू आगरा, अगर यहाँ आज की डेट में फैमिली कोर्ट में मेरे कोई डेट होती तो मैं अपनी वाइफ को दिखाने के लिए 140 लोगों की भीड़ बांध लेके जाता और दिखाता कि मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ इतने सारे लोग हैं। The question was why you are MRI or why we are MRI. Few time ago, I saw a TV commercial on the TV. I don't remember exactly about the commercial, but I remember the slogan of that, which was "सीने में दर्द होता है, जिसके दिल में दर्द होता है, वही मर्द होता है." तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको ढूंढा जाए, क्या है ये। तो I felt कि जैसे कोई रात पे सड़क पे चल रहा है, मैंने देखा कोई लड़की की गाड़ी गिर गई, तो 10 लोगों से उठाने लगे, सबको दर्द हो गया। तो ये अच्छा लगा कि इट्स इम्पैक्ट, क्योंकि इनके सीने में दर्द हुआ, कोई राह चलता इंसान गिर गया, उनके सीने में दर्द हुआ, इन्होंने उसको उठाया। तो मुझे पता चला कि व्हाट इज द प्रैक्टिकल मीन ऑफ जिसके सीने में दर्द होता है वही मर्द होता है। इसके कुछ साल बाद फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी शादी हो गई और फॉल्स केसेस लग गए। इसके बाद मैं गिरा, कोई उठाने नहीं आया। तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा कि इस सोसाइटी हम लोग को बॉयज को उठाने के लिए कोई क्यों नहीं आया,
क्योंकि कार्बोरेटर क्लीन नहीं है।
कार्बोरेटर क्लीन नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली। तो जब मैं अकेला था और अपनी तकलीफों को सोच रहा था और फिर मैंने ये स्लोगन मुझे दिमाग में आया, तो मुझे लगा कि इसका मतलब कोई मर्द नहीं है जिसको मेरे लिए दर्द नहीं है। तो फिर मुझे एक चीज का एहसास हुआ, मुझे लगा कि दिस स्लोगन नीड्स सम अमेंडमेंट्स, कि एक्चुअली जिसके सीने में मर्दों के लिए दर्द होता है एक्चुअली में वही मर्द होता है। And I'm proud to be an MRI. Thank you SIA and thank you brother.
With Bombay Group until 2009. Actually we are predating SIF. We were existing before SIF. 2003 my case started, and one more record I think it should go into some Guinness record. 11 years and still the time.
One prize, if anybody can say who started this National Weight Conference.
Mr. Gogu.
How you feel today after seeing that Goa?
Oh, we have developed a lot from Goan party to now it is a real conference. It was a lot of other people's idea also. I just happened to be the organizer. Have a good time. Also think about the future. Let's do something very concrete for the future. Many of us agree that we are not doing this for ourselves. We are not doing for anything for us. We are doing extra work for others. So let's do something good. Thank you.
Now I joined this around 2006 from modest beginning. Today the movement has gained tremendous force and we have a very large contingent in West Bengal,
And I thank, now my wife tried everything. I had a very short marriage in 2005. My wife tried to put me in trouble, but she couldn't do. I have no cases, I never had cases, I was not arrested. I didn't pay a single penny to my wife. I did everything, I wrote and all, because of my writing I could do. And my mother's one thing that she told me, I have a right and write, you should also write. I did a counter tally and that's how I fought back. And now what SIF has given me, because of all this, I should also thank my wife. I have become an event manager, a blogger, a writer, a playwright, everything, and that has given me a new dimension. I've got lots of friends. I've been able to meet lots and lots of people from all walks of life, and this is what SIF has given me. Thank you.
Why I have come here, of course, to meet all my old friends and have some good food and drinks, and of course to do a little bit of sightseeing in Agra. So with that, I'll hand it over to the next gentleman.
Miladi, what was your first RTI?
Every year he highly RTI in NCA.
So I want to add one thing. He's a wizard on statistics. He has gone to the parliament also, and he is like my Guruji. He has told me this is a highly intellectual movement, and that is why I was more attracted to it.
I am Victor Freitas from Nagpur. I kept my ears open and kept my eyes open. Let's see what I can do for you.
Thank you.
As Gokul and others know, I am not the founder of this movement. And who is the founder of this past all this situation? In 2 minutes. It is not that men was not offered help. There was lawyers. They give me advice 1 hour, 2 hours. After come back, I forget. And then we go to the internet like Gokul, D'Souza and others people, they are fighting in a group, Misuse Dowry Act. There is a small Yahoo group where it was, we used to share each our success and failures. And when I joined this SIF, I thought this is like a college or institutes, like a training camp. You enter here, learn, and then pass out from this college, go to the field and do your act. Take the movement in the next time. As you reach in next time, SIF also is in the next time. That was the ideology of SIF, of the movement. On that basis, we are supposed to register 100 NGO all over India. That will come. In this process, many pupils do not able to understand what is SIF. Even Renuka Chaudhary also does not understand. Ranjana Kumari also does not understand. These people say they don't take any fund, they don't take any money, but do the conference at 5-star hotel. Because SIF is a self-supported, self-volunteered group. If somebody knows the real meaning, what is called self-supported and self-volunteered word, he will not have any confusion of SIF. Second thing, as an activist, you must have some thick skin. Understand? If you do not have,
Ready for Ladi charge.
so if somebody tells something about you bad in some Facebook or somewhere, you feel bad, oh, SIF is bad, this guy is bad, his face is bad. No. If you can get the abuse from your wife, feminist and others, if your own friends tell something, why to react? Ranjana Kumari and Renuka Chaudhary. And third thing I have noted, conflicts and greeds. That has killed always all main rights movement all over India. Like Gokul, D'Souza, we are not only in India, we have started the movement of all over the world. What men's rights movement was lacked everywhere is not the money, is the passion. And as I always say, MRA is not from brain, it is from my heart. Here everybody is super intelligent, everybody's IQ level is more than average. So conflict will be there, but greediness you can control. And if you can go and definitely after go back,
you take this movement in the next level. As I see Gokul in first.
Anybody who believes that these laws are not used in the proper way can join it, and I want many other females to come together because there are so many mothers and sisters also who are suffering. And एक और बात जो कम बालों वाली थी, मेरे को लगता है जो हमारे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं उनके बाल चले जाते हैं, so they are hot.
दिल्ली से हूँ। क्या इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से काफ़ी टाइम से जुड़ा हूँ, पिछले 3-4 साल से, और बहुत अच्छा लगता है। यहाँ पे सारे दोस्त मिले हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं हम लोग। काफ़ी सारे डे मीटिंग होती है, गेट टुगेदर्स भी होती हैं, जैसे आज यहाँ पे पार्टी हो रही है। देखिए, बाकी मेरी बीवी ने मुझको जीना सिखाया है। उससे पहले 24/7 वर्किंग था मैं, और जब से मेरे पास केसेस लगे हैं तब से मैं आज़ाद हो गया हूँ। 24/7 का सिस्टम छोड़ दिया है। नॉट मोर देन 4 or 6 आवर्स से ज़्यादा काम नहीं करता। बाकी ये ऐश की ज़िंदगी है।
Safe for last 1 year, just because of my wife and quite obvious. So सिर्फ आने के बाद I mean एक बहुत important चीज़ सीखी, and that will be that anthem as such, like for my life as such, like just keep calm and tell them तेरी कह के लूँगा।
आप फेसबुक पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
सर मैं लाइव अपडेट कर रहा हूँ। हेलो सबको नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सत्तू जाटव और दिल्ली से हूँ। मैंने जब ज्वाइन करा था तो वासिफ के बाल बरखा से भी लंबे हुए करते थे और सरू मुझसे ही ज़्यादा पतला था।
He joined when God was a child.
I am the oldest member of DAS दिल्ली। और एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ,
बिलो 25 कौन है आउट ऑफ?
ओनली मैं।
चाइल्ड मैरिज।
अच्छा भाई, अगर किसी भी इंसान की आंखों में दुख के आंसू देती है तो SIF ही एक ऐसी है जो उसको खुशी के आंसू देती है। एक ही मोटिव है मेरा कि जो ये 64,000 बंदे जो हर साल मरते हैं, ये हमें जीरो करना है आगे आने वाले कुछ सालों
के नाम से लोग जानते हैं। मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ और मैं लगभग 2.5 साल से SIF से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, और मेरी एंट्री जैसा कि आप समझते ही हैं किस कारण से हुई थी, लेकिन इससे पहले भी मैं बहुत और मेरी एंट्री एक्चुअली मेरे एक फ्रेंड पे फॉल्स रेप केस से हुई थी। उससे मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई थी, मगर शायद मुझे इस बात का इल्म उस वक्त था कि लड़कों को हमेशा ही प्रिज्यूम गड्ढे करते हैं। तो हमारा एम यही है, कम से कम आज के इस दौर में और चीज़ें जो हम कर रहे हैं, कि जितनी तरह की डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है एक लड़के मर्द के तरफ, उन सारे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को हम हर एक तरीके से हर एक जगह से समूल उसका विनाश करें। थैंक यू।
की वजह से नहीं, बट जोग्राफिकल एरिया इस तरह से है कि वी कांट हैव यू नो ऑल ऑफ देम कमिंग टुगेदर इन वन प्लेस। आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू जिनेश एंड गोकुल, हिज लेगेसी टू मी। वी हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू डू व्हाटएवर वी कुड, वहाँ पे कर पाए जितना हमने किया है मतलब पास्ट 4 years, अभी आगे भी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। अबाउट डिफाइनिंग MRA की बात हो रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा क्या अभी मतलब कैसे हो सकता है। देयर कुड बी वन स्मॉल थिंग कि भगवान ने आदमी बनाई और भगवान ने औरत बनाई। भगवान ने आदमी बना ली और फिर बाद में औरत बना दी। आदमी ने उस औरत को बीवी बना ली। भगवान सोच रहा है यार ये गधे तूने ये क्या कर दिया।
Thankful to my mentor Jinesh Javeri, who is our guiding star, who is guiding Mumbai in the right direction. And I'm associated with with SAFE and with Vastu Foundation, and I'm very much happy to help my fellow brothers. एक वक्त था कि पहले केसेस से टेंशन लगता था, डर लगता था। अभी वो वक्त है कि अभी वो सब बातें पीछे हैं। अभी एवरी सैटरडे, संडे, फ्राइडे, the more the days start coming in, I'm more excited because नए लोगों को मिलना, उनको काउंसलिंग करना, उनको हेल्प करना, और जो डर, जो रिवेंज जो मैं मेरे इन-लॉज से नहीं ले सकता हूँ डायरेक्टली, वो इनडायरेक्टली मैं उनके सक्सेस में लेना चाहता हूँ। और मैं हर संडे को वही अटेंड करता हूँ that as if like I'm feeling the in-laws and about seeking revenge to a proper means, and I'm doing it very well. I'm very happy. And my Twitter ID,
small video after this.
And my Twitter ID.
कोई बात नहीं, चिंता मत कर। क्या होगा, बीबी फोर्टनाइट डालेगी, जेल चला जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होता है यार। अच्छा क्या होगा, उसके बाद मेंटेनेंस डालेगी, सैलरी चला जाएगा, क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होता है। उसके बाद चला जाएगा, क्या करेगी, क्या करेगी, डाइवोर्स डाल देगी, ठीक है, डाइवोर्स लेकर चला जाएगा, क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होता है यार। और खुशी मिलेगा, वही आप कर लो। थैंक यू।
Mumbai, that every opposition party is called as your party. चोर पार्टी। चोर पार्टी। किसी को बोलना हाँ तुम्हारा चोर पार्टी क्या कर रहा बताओ। Mumbai chapter. I try to attend most of the Mulund meetings.
So you are from Mumbai location, not chapter.
It's an MRF for me. Like, if I were to look at any man, I'm going to be precise, a man, and if he's walking confidently and if he doesn't have any fear in his eyes or in his body language, that guy is an MRF, irrespective of what he is.
तो गया एंड उसके फादर इन लॉ अभी तक जेल में। हम लोग पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उनकी जल्दी बेल ना हो हाई कोर्ट से भी। बेस्ट पार्ट है कि हमारे भगवान बहुत मदद कर रहा है। मदद ऐसे कर रहा है कि जब वो लोग बहुत तैयारी करते हैं कि आज बेल करा लेंगे आर्ग्यू करके, वो तब तक जस्टिस रंजना पांड्या की बेंच में ट्रांसफर हो जाता है एंड रंजना पांड्या जस्टिस वाज डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज इन कानपुर दैट टाइम when he committed suicide. So she knows everything personally. She made condolence to him. Bail is always denied. Hence and long dates are given.
वही पर्सन है जो MRA वही है जो अपने राइट्स के बारे में जानता है और अपने राइट्स को डिमांड करने की क्षमता रखता है। और मेरा ट्विटर आईडी की बात है, मैं ही आप लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान करता हूँ। मेरा ट्विटर आईडी CSK की अनूप है।
अच्छा।
MRA उन्हें कहते हैं।
With Mumbai Mulund chapter or rather location, as said. I am also associated with the Child Rights Foundation also. The NGO is working the parental plan approved by the Bombay High Court, which is also being getting approved by other high courts also. So basically there are parents or husbands or rather friends sitting here who got kids and who are not getting access or visitation rights or custody or whatever, they can definitely refer those guidelines which has been approved by presently with MP High Court also. It has got approved by Chhattisgarh High Court also. 2-3 states they have got approved and recently Delhi is also going to approve in the next week. So when these high courts are going to approve with this guidelines, then definitely the family courts have to be bound by it and they have to give access to the fathers also. So which is बट जो एक आदमी गिरता है और उसको उठाता है, that is I think it's a true MRA.
From Mumbai, I'm also studying in Mumbai for the past 3.5 years. 3.5 years. अभी सब MRA वगैरह की बात करें, I'm quickly and very shortly and quickly share my issues as well going on my life. I filed 14 cases against my wife and my brother-in-law and my husband. I filed defamation cases against me. My mother has filed a domestic violence case crores against my wife. I'll share a very nice humorous incident with you. She took a residence order from the Mulund Metropolitan Court, came to my residence, created an hangama, filed an NC. Next day, I got a dog. His name is Rambo. I had trained the dog. Next few days when she came, she herself ran away because I knew her weakness. She's always don't want to enter the house. Give me rent. So because of dog, I am safe now. So dog also is MRA.
जा चुका हूँ 5 साल। उसके बाद अभी पिछले 2 साल से मैं आज़ाद हूँ, सही मायनों में। और वो हुआ है
5 साल से शादी की।
सही मायनों में मैं आज़ाद हूँ। सुन तो लो। पिछले 2 साल से मैं आज़ाद हूँ और अब जब मेरी वाइफ कोर्ट में आती है तो वो उसके लिए वो जेल है और वो जेल से हर बार उसको तारीख मिलती है, कभी 2 महीने की 3 महीने की। जब भी उसको तारीख मिलती है उसका मुंह छोटा सा हो जाता है। ये सब सोच के कायदे किए थे कि मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी एलिमनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, जल्दी से जल्दी मुझे मेंटेनेंस पास हो जाएगा। लेकिन मुझे जब उसका चेहरा मैं जब देखता हूँ तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है कि अब मैं जेल से आज़ाद हो गया हूँ और ये जेल में प्रवेश कर चुकी है। थैंक यू।
मैं पिछले 3 साल से सिप के साथ जुड़ा हूँ और दोस्तों मैं एक ही बात कहूँगा, जब इस दुनिया के अंदर पाप बढ़े हैं तब तक भगवान ने किसी को जरिया बना के इस धरती पे उतारा है। ठीक उसी प्रकार 498 रुपये जो डायन है उसको सर्वनाश करने के लिए हम जो MRAs है उनको धरती पर उतारा है। धन्यवाद।
मैं मुंबई से हूँ, मेरे ऊपर कोई केस नहीं है, लेकिन मैं पिछले 1 साल से मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ।
वेट कर रहा हूँ केसेस।
दिक्कत नहीं है वैसे। सबसे अच्छी बात ये हुई कि पिछले 1 साल पहले अगर कोई मुझे कहता कि लॉ करना है तो मैं कभी हाँ ना कहता, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं ऑटोमेटिकली लॉ सीख रहा हूँ। पहले डर से, अब एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ।
Okay, I'm thanks to the Sevajan family team. 3 years back I joined this SAFE team. Looking back, I was one among the lakh or crowd. As a guy who was representing, I was also crying. I lost 3 kgs when I first 400 was 5. I hold now 2 498 after the 2 498 parallel being trial from my wife, and one of my friends was telling he was contesting 14 cases. Hope I was leading with 18 cases. Including all the child miscellaneous petitions, it was around 27 now. So that was there, and she has turned me from innocent to a modern prosecutor and demanding 25 lakhs plus 2-bedroom flat. IT engineer was turned to an LLB, taking it. I am going to be a future advocate and fight for the men in the law, making the amendments to save the men.
As of now, I don't have any cases on me.
SIF from 2010. My wife has filed 498A. 498A ended with acquittal. Then I filed 340, which is under trial.
Under 16, under 18.
And criminal defamation. And whatever I invested, movable, immovables, everything I blocked. Whatever I invested on her name, entire thing was blocked. And I also filed a suit. Whatever the properties in my name, I ensured that nothing goes there. It's like 2009. The one thing which is I want to share is this. I have put all the evidence what my wife has used to file against me as a evidence to file a case against her own father-in-law. That's for me, father-in-law. Whatever evidence she has given, I have put as a case against the father-in-law. So whatever records she has given in the affidavit, that is directly boomerang his father-in-law, my own father-in-law. So my father-in-law is a public servant. It's the best advantageous position for me. Being myself also an government servant, they threaten me that I will be removed from service. But at last they are begging for their survival now. I have made all the weapons, a first person to get a CAC order stating that you can ask any government servant to give a dowry declaration form. It is a form to be submitted by a person whose son or daughter is going to be married. That is a clear statement which there is a column mentioned that whether element mentioned there is no dowry. But I have given a TEP to Income Tax Department stating that this fellow is telling lie. You see, it's the version of my daughter, his own daughter. So there is a TEP against the person and department action pending against him. As well as the court also, I want the proof that he has given so much. Number 2, to medically defame me, they have given when they have selected given an allegation against me, for which I have used Family Code Section 12. Kindly guys, please note that whatever allegations given by any of Family Code.
I'm an Australian, my wife is an Australian, my daughter is an American and my son is also Australian. But we are still fighting in India, so you go figure out that. With the lowest IQ probably become part of the judiciary. That's what my observation has been so far.
My name is Suresh Pandey and I was an activist from 2011 as a political. I used to go and work in the rural areas, and at the same time I was doing my law as well, along with my wife. We both were doing the law, and the first 2 cases she filed were on me. Now I'm making sure since I was an activist earlier as well, and so now I'm an activist for men's rights and gender equality, and I'm trying to leave no stone unturned, and I'll try that till I die. I make sure the laws get changed to gender equality. And that's a wonderful thought. More than your words. That's it.
Guys, this
from Bangalore.
Full name, sir?
Raju Swami, and I'm from Bangalore once again. What I like to say is everything else is fine. Only thing that I see as an MRA, my goal is to remove the fear from the new victim when he comes to a meeting. That is the only goal that I have in my life. Other than that, I have no other goal. To make sure that he doesn't commit suicide, he doesn't, kill and hand over money to his wife for unnecessary cases. Thank you all.
I think more MRA, and for being an MRA, I consider only one criteria. He has to be a man. Then later I'll see whether he is wrong or right. If he is a man, then I'm compassionate to help him. That's the only thing.
And today you made me MRA. Thank you all for making me MRA. And at that point of time, we don't know where we stand and what we are exactly. And today you all, with your all support, today you all made me an MRA. So thank you very much for making me an MRA. Thank you very much for all of you. And one more thing, just I wanted to add. I think we were just in national meet. We were doing some targets and all. And Swarup has mentioned we want to make 100 NGOs. Still, there are a lot of NGOs, those who are not registered. And also last national Nagpur meet also we requested, please make all NGOs are registered and also make those NGOs are HDG, also HDG registered. So this is one more request. Another thing is that, and there are preventing people at the old team or old people, I request, please don't prevent.
Very close to the SR. Thank you very much, brother.
A new group starting from the Howrah and Kolkata, that is started in the Howrah. Every monthly meeting started from the next month. Thank you.
And who made it to this place today. We are overwhelmed, and thank you, Diktanshu, also for moderating the entire. Over 130 hardcore men's rights activists with unbeatable talent, aspirations, energy, and never say die attitude. That's excellent. I'm sure the feminists of this country look at us here, they will have a nightmare and Krishna Kumari, think twice before coming to a TV debate. Well, we have the stalwarts of MRM, we have some newcomers, we have activists, we have bloggers, counselors, debaters, strategists. In fact, we have the entire think tank of the men's rights movement here today.
Simple ones, but I'll just explain and go through it very fast for you people. But we, the organizers, on behalf of SFF Delhi as well as PPK, Lucknow, I welcome all of you attendees. We know that we are holding this meet in this Clark Shiraz. The theme, as you know, of this meet is Clean the Carburetor. We hope you enjoy the show. All our meetings and everything will be held in this particular hall, and all our lunch, dinner, and breakfast will be held at the other part. Everybody has already registered, so the question of photo ID, I think it doesn't come into the picture anymore. We would request all the attendees to abide by all the rules and regulations of the hotel, naturally. The one important point is that the participants are requested not to bring any guests in their room. We had some unfortunate incident last time in Nagpur as well as in Kolkata and Shimla. Some of the people brought some members in their room, then there was some payment issues and all. So therefore we would request we would request all of you, please do not bring any member to your room. And some other parts is that we, the organizers, will not be responsible for any loss or any damage of property to the hotel. If anything of some such thing happens, then obviously you need to make. We have got a wonderful swimming pool on the left-hand side. Those who are interested can have a dip. However, there's a word of caution. Swimming after consuming alcohol is strictly prohibited. The reason for putting this particular guideline is that in 2011 we had a wonderful meet in Kolkata. Only last week one lady, she after consuming alcohol, she had a dip in that particular lady, and after that she died. So it came on all the Kolkata newspapers and all. So we would request all of you not to use the pool after consuming alcohol. And you are also requested to use the swimming costumes when you want to have a dip. In case you have forgotten to bring it, then you can buy it here. It only costs you 200 rupees. And after that, yes, lunch and dinner on today, as well as tomorrow, as well as the breakfast on 15th and 16th will be held up there at the back. And please do not carry any of your food from this particular place to your room to have it with your snacks, with drinks or anything, because it's bad actually. And we expect decent behavior from everyone. I mean, drinking is of course not allowed in the open area. You can of course have it in your own room. We all know that this is a big 5-star hotel. It's a well-known hotel, and we have got lots of guests other than us. So naturally, we would expect decent behavior from everyone. And that's it. I mean, in case, I think the 10th point is any violation would have to be by the members directly by the respective authorities. If you have any problem, you need to contact directly the hotel. I mean, we guys, the organizers, would not be responsible for any of the nuisance. With that, we all welcome you all to the meet, and I think we are going to have a short tea break.
Yeah, so guys, tea is ready. I know it has been a long session, but thanks a lot for standing by with each other. I think that's what makes us an MRI, that we are there for everyone. So have a 15 minutes break, a bio break, a smoke break, a tea break, whatever you call it. Just don't break yourself. So let's meet exactly in 15 minutes. It's 5 minutes to 6.
Half an hour.
So 6:10. 6:10. No, Dada. 100 rupees for you. Right. 6:10 we will meet here again, and do not get late, because the next sessions we would be seeing something very unusual that we have made for the first time, and as a result we'll have some ex-party orders done to you guys. So 6:10, let's be back here. Okay?
It will be a surprise. IF national meets as a hashtag. Okay. So we are good to go.
Okay guys, we are back. No lights off.
Can we have a little silence? And now, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts, for you are now going to embark a journey. A journey never to be forgotten. It is time to look back upon last 1 year of the Save Indian Family movement. It is time to see what all happened across India in the men's rights movement in last 1 year. So here we have put together some pictures and videos from chapters across India, comprising of the protests, the seminars, the weekly meetings, the event that took place in the respective cities in last 1 year. So Save Indian Family movement proudly presents the year it was.